Hirap buksan. Shit, parang ayaw magpabukas na ito. Isa ito. Oh, shit! Okay na. End stream. Wow! Wow! Oh, sheesh! Shout out to John Francis Legaspi! Shout out to you! This is for you! Okay, nakuha na natin yung isang set ng Topsy-Decree and one more. So, pero syempre, need kasi natin ng 3 sets. Like, at least 3 sets. So, syempre, mas gusto pa rin nating makapull. And then, again, para sa mga bago, we have this thing pala. Yes, 3 sets. Maraming may kailangan sa team, apparently. Tapos kung ako, mag-level 3 rin ako at some point in time, kailangan ko rin siya. Diba? Meron pala kaming thing na kapag nakaabot ng isa na lang isang ethereal projection. Kapag nakapull pa tayo ng isang ethereal projection, ipapa-giveaway natin yung isang buong set na yon ng ethereal. So, parang 1 set of ethereal projection. Yung Diana. Ayun. Tapos, what else are we looking for pa? Yung mga CSRs, hindi naman natin sila hinahanap. Dumarating lang sila. Ano pa ba hinahanap natin? Meron pa ba? Calming Breeze. Hindi rin Palvor pa pala. Merlin level 3. Ayan, kailangan ng extra ng Lost Provi at Palvor. Tapos Merlin level 3, yes. Na CSR. Wow! 679. Tapos Say They Cray. Okay, para sa mga hindi pala nakakaalam, yung sinasabi nila na Merlin level 3. Kasi, just last night, we pulled a Merlin level 2 CSR. The other night, we pulled a Merlin level 1. So, parang, come on. This one. Wala tayong top loader, sir, Binabinder kasi natin ito. Ayan. So, we have na Merlin level 1 at saka si Merlin level 2. Yay! Si Merlin level 3 na lang and we've completed the lineage. Yay! Ayun yung gamit ni JP kanina, Merlin Assassin, Fire Merlin Assassin. So parang, it was fun. Nakita ko siya. Di ko lang alam. Ewan ko. I don't know if I can switch habang malapit na yung region. Anyways, start na natin. Die roll tayo. Okay, sige, kayo pumili. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 to 7, 5. Dalawa ng 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one? 5. Good na tayo sa 5. 5. Sige, wala na? Okay, open na natin to. Nasa 5 ang swerte. Nakita ko na. Oh my God! Extra! Shout out, Backfish! Let's go! And then, hindi pala CSR. Yagi, Lost Providence agad! Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! Ayan na, may extra na ako. Wow! Lost Providence! Guys, pwede na, paldo na. Magkano ang Lost Providence? Bawi na ba yung case ko kung may Lost Providence ako? Hindi ba? Pahiram mo na kay Kapitan, mag level 3 deck na daw siya. Sige, pahiram ko na kay Kapitan. 10k ata. Okay, sige. Isang box. Kalma lang pala tayo. Chill lang. Just common guard. Wow, just common guard. So, bawi na yung isa nating box. Ayan, next. Oh, Diana SR. Foil. Yay! Nakuha na natin yung CSR. Nakuha na rin natin ng foil. Let's go! Oh, wow! Diana na naman. Normal lang. Normal Diana. Wow, magkatabi na sila. I'm you, but better. Wow, I'm you, but better. Oh my God! Hindi, normal foil. Foil lang. Phantasmagoria. Hindi siya Curio foil. Just a foil. Not a Curio foil. Gulat ako, akala ko Curio foil sayang. So, meron akong 3 ganyan. Tapos, yung legit na oh my God! Nakikita nyo ba? I already know what it is. Ayan na. Hindi. The other blue. Oras na para magpa-giveaway. Or like, i-post ko. Tapos yun yung stream natin. No! Oh my God! Anong W? Like W for you guys? Yeah, maganda yung art. Gusto mong panalunan. Ganda ba? Yeah, maganda naman yung art. Oh, ito na. Papapasukin ko na. Hindi na pwedeng... Oh my God, kailangan nating makabawi kahit isang Topsy-Decree. Wait lang. Please bless my box. Yes. Okay na guys. Na-bless na. Ayan na, next 2 packs. Sige, magbilang lang kayo guys. Manifest for me. Oh shit! Palvor Sword Foil! Oh fuck! Oh my God! Ito na gagamitin ko. Oh my God! Foil! Oh sheesh! What the heck? Legit! Yeah, benta na kay Ivan. Oh my God! Pwede na ba ako magkasahod? Hindi pa nasasagad yung ano mo, swerte mo. Oh my God. What the heck? Di, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Go. Foil na Palvor. 2 URs in 1 box. Yung isa pa foil. Oh my God. Sheesh. Magbukas na lang tayo everyday. Ito ang trabaho ko kaya, no? Wala pa LGS. Hindi pa ba ito counted? Foil na UR, tapos meron pa tayong Lost Providence. Isn't that enough? Gusto nyo lang magbukas pa tayo ng isang case eh. Last box tayo, last box. Wala pa ang Topsy. Sinabi lang naman natin manifesting Topsy. As long as the attacker is attacking a unique ally, off with their head gets +3. Whoa. Topsy Decree! Oh, ayan na! Topsy Decree! Claimed! Topsy Decree, let's go! Ano pa? Oh, may selling daw. Alice CSR. Hello! Hello, Durs! Topsy! We got our Topsy! Let's go! Okay, hindi ko na talaga makita yung floor ko. Legit. I need to walk over packs. Pili na lang kayo. Isa-stack ko na lang siya. Tapos pili na lang kayo ng number. Ayan. Hanggang 6 siya. 6 boxes. Pili kayo number. 1 na naman. 1, 5. Yung pang 12. Yung pang 12, PTM na yun eh. 1, 5, 2. O, iba-iba kayo. Kapag hindi kayo nagkapares, magda-die roll na lang tayo. 5. Dalawa na 5. Pinapahirapan nyo pa ako. Pili 5 na lang. Para di na kayo mahirapan mag-decide. 5.5. 2/3. Pinag-mat nyo pa ako. Awa naman kayo. Naubos na nga yung brains ko kanina kakamas nung naglalaro. Parang I can't. Okay. Let's go. First Dowa. Para ako naman yung masaya, no? Wow. Hindi pa ba ako natuwa nung nakakuha tayo ng Lost Providence? At saka foil na Palvor Sword. Let's do it. First pack. Let's go. Mas madaling buksan yung Dowa. Sabi ko na to before, pero mas madali siya buksan. Yes, let's go CSR. Merlin is okay. Majestic Spirits Crest Foil UR. Useless UR, but a foil nonetheless. And hindi siya kumukuha ng UR slot. Foil slot yung kinuha niya. Ba't mo ba ako gusto magbago, ha? Di ba ako sapat? Yes. Gusto ko siya magbago kasi di siya sapat. Oh, what the heck, bro? Ano to? Twinsies palagi? Seriously? I'm you but better? Twice? Pendragon! Yay! Let's go! Pendragon! Let's go! Yay! That's our second Pendragon. Okay lang, kahit wag na akong matulog dahil may practice later. GCR! Whoa! GCR! Let's go! This is our third GCR. Let's go. Pan, i-bless mo yung ano ko, box ko. GCR! Oh my God, another GCR. Let's go. Yeah, dalawa na. Pangalawa, this case. GCR. Another GCR. Let's go. Let's go. Next. Sana, nakuha ko na 3. Okay, first box. Let's go. Another set of 6 boxes. Sakit. Hirap buksan. Parang ayaw magpabukas na ito. Isang to. Okay. Oh, shit! Bro, kaya ayaw ba niya magpabukas? Okay na. End stream. We got the CSR na. What the fuck? Oh shit, CUR! I got 41 out of 72 CUR! Whoa! Whoa! Oh sheesh! Oh sheesh! Shout out to John Francis Legaspi! Shout out to you! This is for you! This is because of you. We got the CUR because of you. May balata ako dyan, sabi ko sa'yo. Oh my God! Ilan, check natin yung likod. Walang error print. Grabe! Grabe! CUR! Alice! 41 out of 72. We got a 41 out of 72 cards. We got one. Grabe! Nanginginig ako. Malamig dito pero pinagpapawisan ako, guys. Like legit. Thank you sa presence mo. Oh my God! Ano ang sasabihin ko dito? Grabe, we got Lost Providence. We got a foil Palvor. Tapos nakakuha pa tayo ng CUR. CUR! Thank you to everyone. Grabe! Di pa rin ako makaget over. Like, can you see it? Like, closer. Ayan, nag-auto-focus na siya. Wait, tatanggalin ko sa ano. We got my Arthur. We got 3 GCR. CRs. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, JB. Pwede mo na ako pasahuran. Mapapasahod ko, guys. Wala bang CUR dance dyan? Big 3.5k USD, ah. Really ba? You're listening only. Got it. Oh my God. Walang CUR dance. CUR, speechless. Tapos hindi pa siya kumukuha ng foil slot. Grabe, hindi ako. 3.5k USD to? Eto? Really ba? Why? Char. Anong why? There's only 72 cards of that in the world. Teko, pasalubungan mo naman ako ng isang box. Wala nang box na ipapasalubong sa'yo. Wow! God damn! Oh, sheesh! What is this box? Really? What is this box? To be honest. A Topsy Decree. Manifested. Thank you, Chi. Reported. Anong reported? Wala i-report. Grabe, bibilihin ko na naglaro lang ako ng Slay the Spire. Naglaro ka your fault. Ban. Grabe, Topsy Decree. Oh my God. Hindi speechless sa box na to. God box. Can we consider this a God box? Nakakatakot naman yung na yan. Parang kinupers mo ako. May na-skip ata tayong SR. Kasi gulang ako nung... Naghanap pa nga ng SR, no? Ito, Conjuring. Okay. 5 lang talaga. Like, are we sure? Char. Sige na. Sure naman na. Oo nga, sorry. Nagre-reklamo pa ba ako? Isang SR na. Grabe, no? Sorry ah. Binigyan na nga ako ng ng another card na foil. Tapos, 5 lang. Parang kulang ng SR, guys. Sorry. 5 lang habang yung CUR nasa screen. Bakit 5 lang? Parang weaves ang unfair naman. Di ba dapat 6 yung SRs ko sa box? Tapos may Topsy Decree. Oh my God. Crazy box. Sige na nga, i-sleeve na nga rin natin tong Topsy na to. Di ko kasi ini-sleeve yung mga Topsy. Joke lang. Wala, nang re-rage bait na lang ako. Thank you so much. Grabe. Ayun nga, SR pala to. Hindi pala kulang. Mali lang pala ako. Ako lang pala yung may kasalanan. Kasalanan ko patuloy. 41. This is number 41. 41 eh. Sorry. Hindi ko nakuha yung 6-9, guys. And 1. Hindi pa yung 6-7. 6-7 sana. 6-7! Ayan. I got a marker here for you guys. Ayan. Ito. Goods. We're gonna do it. Everyone is manifesting for you. Let's go. Another CSR. Can you believe? Kanino to? Kay Polar Cub to. Hunt. Guys, you know what this means, right? Hunt to Ice King. Ewan ko. Just a thought. Meron kaming theory about Hunt to Ice King. Tapos yan pa, second pack. Okay? Next. Guys, we're opening for fun, for content. But now, I'm having fun. So much fun. Topsy Decree? You got a Topsy Decree? Good job. Let's go. Topsy Decree. Could have been my set. Ito sana yung second set ko. Okay, let's go. You got Topsy Decree. Pwede na. Oh my God, meron CSR! Guys, we got a CSR. Legit. Or foil something. Pre, legit. I told you. Guys, okay. Bago natin tingnan, I told you. Hunt to Ice King. Hunt to Ice King is real. Like, I'm sure about it. Malay nyo, foil Lost Provi. Basta it's foil. And it's full art. That's what I'm sure about. Foil Lost Providence. Oh my God. Bad decisions? Foil Lost Provi. Talo na ako. Foil Lost Provi, guys. I really sell it. Well, I already told you, this is your box. Grabe, foil Lost Provi. Good job, congrats. Sure, kung makuha yung level... Oh my God, foil agad na? Alice, level 2, foil. Yeah, na Phantom Monarchs. May buying agad na ito. Si Shibe Blue. Buying siya niyan. Yeah, it's so pretty. Look. Do you appreciate my camera? I got a great camera now. I'll open it na. Wala na magbabay. I'll open it. Here's yung opener. Nawala yung pambukas ko. Is that a sign? Nawala yung pambukas. Nakita ko na. Joke. Violent reaction. This is mine. If makakuha ko ng isa pang Lost Providence ngayon, I'll sell it. Kaya, I'll sell it na kasi I have 2 na. So, yeah. So, if anyone needs, and if I pull, you can dibs. Yeah, if I pull. Okay, buying Topsy. We still need more Topsies. Kulang pa kinuha ni yung set Gagi, guys! Kakasabi ko lang! Okay, sinong mag-aano? First one to bid. First one to dibs. Dibs agad. Sabihin nyo, dibs, Lost Provi. Dibs, Lost Provi. Dibs, LP. Go. Dibs, LP. Right now, sa chat, dibs, LP. Kasi sa'yo ko lang like, i-re-reject ko yung iba. Ngayon, kung sino yung nanonood sa stream, dibs. No, syempre ba eh. Haha. Lost Provi. We got another Lost Provi. We got 3 Lost Providences tonight. 3 Lost Providences tonight. And yung isa doon foil. Guys, I'm not kidding. I'm willing to let this one go. If unahin ko yung sa team ko, like, I won't sell this. Pero I'm selling this for you guys. Anyone watching who wants a Lost Provi, you need to be watching. Kailangan nandito sa stream na mag-chat dito lang. Dibs sa Lost Provi. No one's gonna buy? Kung magkano sa TCG Mid 55 times 55. Sige, pag-isipan nyo muna. I'll check din yung price. Sige, I'll check yung price. Magbukas na lang kaya ako ng LGS ko. Masamang pangitain yung fields. Really ba? Napansin mo ba? Na may something sa kanya. Really ba? Arcane sight? You got a sight? Arcane though, pero sight. Sight pa rin. Grabe, may LGS talaga tayo nakuha ngayong gabi. Sheesh! So yeah. Thank you so much, guys. GG's, grabe. Ang dami na nating na-pull. Alice CUR. We got 2 Lost Providence. Ito, Lost Providence. The Merlin. We got another Lost Providence right here. We got a foil Palvor Sword. Oh my god. I love it. Diba? Topsy Decree. We got a Topsy Decree. Yay! Anyways, thank you, guys. Bye-bye. GG's. Yes.